Hey guys, it's Lengi. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own face mask for a clear skin just like mine at home. Like, this is the first skincare video in 2022, so I want to make it very short and special just for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at it's Lengi. And let's get to the video. Okay, the first thing you're gonna need is our plastic cup. Don't use metal, use plastic so that the products can work. So the first thing I'm gonna put is the Multani powder. This powder is used in cosmetic products and skincare. It's good at removing acne and dark marks. And the next thing I'm gonna put is the botanic clay. It is also good for the skin, and it's very good when you're creating your own face mask. Make sure to mix those products together. This is a great combination to have a clear skin and an acne-free face. And the last product, powdered products that I'm going to put is obviously turmeric. We all know the benefits of turmeric for the skin, and turmeric is very good at also if you are suffering from acne or pimples. Then I'm gonna add aloe vera oil, which is very good, and I'm gonna add water too. So we're gonna mix those products together to form a nice paste for the face. And I'm going to sprinkle 3 drops of lavender oil, which is also good for the face and for your paste to smell good. Make sure to wash your face before you apply the face mask on your face. And you can use your fingers or your makeup brush to put on the mask, but I prefer to use my fingers because it's very easy for me. And you can use this face mask for maybe 2 days or 3 days a week. It's all up to your skin or how sensitive your skin is. And let the mask dry for about 15 to 40 minutes in order to get those results. After washing your face, you're gonna look like this. Okay, I look very fresh. Now I'm going to apply Portia M Marula Skin Toner before I apply my favorite oil. The reason why I use the toner is because my skin quickly dries out if I just apply the oil or the cream, so it's best for me to use the skin toner first. Then I'm gonna apply avocado oil because avocado oil is actually good for the skin. It doesn't clog your pores. It's very good, and it leaves your skin very smooth and soft too. As you can see mine, you can see that glow. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.